What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Whip It Up with Jay. Today I have a special guest with me. I have my wife here, my lovely wife, Rose from Island Vibe Cooking.
Hi guys.
And today we are going to be making something really special for you guys. We are going to be making the easy, cheesy garlic knot bowl. You hear me?
That
Real
sounds
good.
Delicious.
Sounds as good as it's going to taste. I promise you. This thing is gonna be banging. It's gonna be off the hook. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button.
Like it.
Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think about the recipe. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We need to get to that 1,000 mark. And I really appreciate if you guys hit that subscribe button. But without further ado, let's get started.
Okay guys, here we have the pizza crust that we're going to make the knots with.
Yes, Pillsbury pizza crust, the classic crust. We're gonna make it nice and easy. Super easy recipe. Like I said, we're gonna use some pre-made crust. You can make your own homemade crust if you want, but we're gonna be using this to save a little bit of time, guys. Do you want to do the honors of popping it open?
I hate
I'm always scared to open these.
Me too. You want to
So
do it?
you're supposed to start here.
Okay, I got it. Let me do it.
Hopefully it doesn't explode in your face.
It'll be nice.
It would be nice if it exploded.
To see a reaction.
Ready? You gotta twist it. Go ahead.
I am. Oh,
You're doing it the wrong way. No, you have to twist it. No, the other way.
No, it's that way.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That stuff always scares me. I don't know why. But guys, we don't want to be super sticky over here, so we're gonna drop a little bit of flour on a little cutting board so that our dough here doesn't stick. Just a little bit of flour. And we're gonna make knots. All right, guys, so I'm gonna slice the dough so we can have some even knots, so we don't have knots bigger than the other. I'm gonna slice them up, right, Rose?
Yep.
But I don't know about you guys, but me, I am a pizza lover. I can eat pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I can never get enough of pizza. So let's get started.
Now we make knots.
We make knots.
All right.
We're gonna roll it out a little bit. Let's see who's gonna make the nicer knot. I think it's gonna be me.
What?
I'm gonna.
Okay, let me show you how I do it. I'm a pro at this, okay?
You a pro? I don't know about all that.
You go like this, then you tie it.
What are you doing?
Wait. Okay, I don't think you're doing it.
What are those? This is my knot. I don't know what you're doing over there.
Okay, you know I have nails on.
Oh, you always making excuses. Always making excuses. You got nails. So you got the nails make you can't make no garlic knots?
Nah. They're gonna look different though, because two different people are making them.
It's all good.
Look at mine.
It's all good.
Oh my gosh.
So you're just gonna make these knots and put them over to the side. Just like so. You know. You make them as pretty or as ugly as you like. It don't really matter. They're gonna taste the same.
They're gonna taste delicious. I know that.
That's right.
Yours look better than mine.
You think so?
Yeah.
I know so. What is this? It's just a ball.
Doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Well, you said it doesn't matter. You said it doesn't matter if it's ugly.
Well,
That one looks decent.
Sorry.
Okay guys, now that we have the knots already, we're going to place them in here so we can bake them.
Yep, we already got our oven preheated to 400 degrees, ready to go. So what I'm gonna do, a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot. I'm not gonna go crazy. I just don't want it. It's not really gonna stick. This is aluminum foil, but Put a little bit of flour there. And we're gonna just transfer these garlic knots over to our pan. And we are going to brush just a little bit of olive oil on the top of our knots, just so it can get that nice golden brown on the top. Just a little bit of olive oil, not going too crazy, just a little bit. Like I said, we got our oven already at 400 degrees. We're gonna transfer it over there and we're gonna bake it about, I would say 5-6 minutes. We'll keep an eye on it. We want it to come out to a nice golden brown. All right, guys, now time to work on this good old garlic butter. So to start, we have about half a stick of unsalted butter, some garlic powder. Brought my own salt instead of using salted butter, so I can kind of control how salty it is. And then we have some chopped parsley as well. So let's get it going.
Turn that on.
All right. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this butter in the pan and let it get to melting.
Now, what are we adding next?
You want to add the garlic powder? I would say about like let's start with a tablespoon.
A tablespoon of?
Yeah.
Okay. This?
Yeah, I'm putting like a little pinch of salt, just a little bit, little pinch of salt.
You can also use fresh garlic.
And I'm going to add a little bit of parsley.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Garlicky.
Mix it up real good. Let me give it a taste to see if it needs a little bit more. A little bit more.
More garlic?
Yeah, a little bit more garlic. Because you can't have garlic knots.
Of course.
Without the garlic.
You need a lot of garlic.
Make sure that garlic kicking. That garlic gotta be kicking. Hot.
Oh yeah.
It's good.
You like it more garlicky?
I want more garlic.
Me too.
More garlic.
A little bit. So I'll say about 2.5 tablespoons.
Man, 3 to make it safe. So we gotta have that extra garlic. And our knots are almost done, guys. We're gonna check on the knots. Our butter is pretty much good to go. Let's check on the knots and see what it do. They should be looking nice and golden brown by now.
That's good.
Let me check. All right, guys. Our garlic knots are nice and golden brown, looking mighty delicious.
Yep.
Extra delicious. I feel like just eating them just like this.
They look so nice.
So we're gonna actually transfer these into, I have like a foil, like this is like a cake,
plate.
This is a cake pan. It's like a, I think it's like an 8.5 inch cake pan. And we're gonna pile these garlic knots in this pan here. All right, guys, so we're gonna transfer over these garlic knots into our little cake pan here. You wanna give me a hand on those?
Sure.
Just transfer these over. Squeeze that last one in there. And we're gonna take a brush along with our garlic butter. You wanna do it?
Sure.
And we're gonna be quite generous and get that thing nice and buttered up.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
That looks real good. You can just eat this all by yourself. You don't need to add anything else.
I know, right? But we're gonna make it special.
Yes.
We ain't stopping here. Know
There's
what I mean?
more.
We gotta take it to the next level.
Oh, so buttery.
I know, right? That thing looks so good. Yeah. Yummy.
And it's so garlicky. If you love garlic,
you gonna love this recipe.
Alrighty, all done.
We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan.
Ooh, I didn't
top
know
of that.
about that.
A little bit of Parmesan cheese, you eating? Just a little bit, just a little bit.
Looks real good. Take a look at this. Oh yes. Next, we're going to add in some marinara sauce on top of the garlic knots.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy.
So this is basically like a pizza.
So it's a unique take on a pizza.
Okay, it's like a.
But I don't know, pizza ain't gonna have that nice garlicky bread like we got right here.
Okay.
With these garlic knots. Alright. So next, we're gonna layer in some toppings. So guys, we have pepperoni. And we have bacon. Let me say that again. I have pepperoni.
Ooh.
And I have bacon.
Ooh.
Bacon, not bacon, bacon. Bacon, okay?
Bacon.
Bacon. Okay?
Oh yes.
So we're gonna pile up.
I love everything that's going on here. So.
Me too. Me too. You wanna give me a hand, babe?
Sure.
We're just gonna pile in that pepperoni, nice and generous. That pepperoni, nice and generous here.
Okay.
Yums, yums,
Love
yums.
me some good old pepperoni.
Yums, yums,
And we
and
add the bacon.
yums.
Mix.
Yes, we're gonna add the bacon.
Some space
You
for the
know I
bacon.
love some bacon.
Ooh.
Go ahead and toss that bacon in there, baby.
Yes.
Ooh. Ooh.
Adding all of the bacon in.
Ooh.
Oh, I love bacon.
Ooh. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, you went crazy. You put all the bacon in there.
Yes.
Okay.
We love bacon. That looks good. I don't know what you guys looking at, but this right here is looking real nice.
Next, we're gonna add in some Kraft mozzarella.
Ooh.
I like to use a decent brand cheese so you get that good pull.
Gooey.
Yeah, use that. I have no problem against great value cheese, but you're not gonna get that nice pull.
Yeah,
That
definitely.
this Kraft cheese is gonna give you.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna be generous with this cheese, baby. Ooh,
That looks real good.
I know.
I'm just hungry
wait
already.
to try it.
You're making me hungry already.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Yum. Should we add more cheese, babe?
We can add more. Definitely.
You know, there's never
On the
a such
side.
thing as
Too much cheese. Said it. Nobody ever said that.
Whoever said too much cheese?
Nah.
We opened up a second pack on it. We
Alright.
dropping more cheese in that thing.
That's extra cheesy
Ooh,
garlic knots.
It gotta be.
Oh.
It gotta be. It gotta be.
Oh yes.
It gotta be.
I think we're good here.
You sure?
I think we are. I wanted to show
Alright.
them.
So now we're gonna toss this in the oven and let all this cheese melt and caramelize on you guys. And well, I think about like a 450 degrees should be fine. We just want that cheese to melt. All right. So we're gonna toss this in for a few minutes, let that cheese caramelize and melt, and we're gonna admire the amazing results we're gonna get. So let's get started. Let's get this in the oven.
Take
baby.
it to the oven.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
It looks so good.
Ooh.
It came out so good, guys. So cheesy. Oh.
Let me see that cheese pool. What that cheese pool looking like? Let me see what that cheese pool looking like. I got it. I got it, babe. Oh man, get your fork, babe.
Oh.
Get your fork.
I need mine too.
Get your
wait,
fork,
wait,
baby.
wait, wait. You gotta wait for me.
Oh.
It's hot though.
Yeah, that thing looks good. Let me get some of that. Let me borrow that cheese right quick.
Stop.
Let me borrow that cheese right quick. Let me borrow that cheese.
It looks so good. It's hot.
It's hot.
Oh my god, it smells so good. Isn't it hot like that?
I don't know.
Oh yes. See? It's not that hot though.
That's so good.
So garlicky. But you gotta eat it hot though. You gotta eat this hot. Show them. And here. Focus on it. Y'all see this? Oh yes.
The pepperoni, the bacon, the pepperoni, the bacon. Let me get some of that. Ooh. Let me get some of that pepperoni bacon. Baby.
I'm gonna try this cheese.
No, get some pepperoni in there too, baby. Oh my god. So good.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love.
Mukbang. This is so good.
Oh no. Guys, you have to try this recipe. It's so good.
It's garlicky, cheesy,
Bacony.
pizza lover. Try this. Oh, I love the cheese. I'll take this.
Oh my.
Oh, let me get more cheese.
Oh my.
Oh yes.
Oh.
This is so good.
I know it. Man, we doing a video. Oh my god, I almost forgot. We're on camera, babe.
Okay, you can't eat it all now.
I can't eat it all. Girl.
I love the cheese. I'll eat the
That's so
cheese by
good.
itself.
Then we're getting carried away. We need to cut off the camera so we could thrash this thing. This is so good, guys. Oh my god. So good.
You're holding it. Oh yeah. We gotta slow down. I'm eating too fast. I feel like I'm tired, but it's good.
Guys, do not forget to like.
Definitely.
Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe
Subscribe
to your boy.
and like the video, please.
Yes. We are out. We about to thrash this dish. Fill up our bellies. Hope you guys enjoy it. Try this one at home. Bye, guys.
Bye.